So what's going on, guys? I'm here driving, obviously. My wife's here behind the camera.
Hey guys.
Hey. Basically, we're going to make another stab at getting the shocks to fit on the car today. I'm not going to spend long on it because I don't know if you can see, but it is yucky outside. A lot of moisture, really wet. So yeah, it's pretty nasty. But yeah, we're going to try to get the rear shocks set in the car today, or attempt number 2. If you watched the last video, you know we had some issues with it. They were too short. But I think when I talked to my chassis builder, he said, you know, he gave us a couple of suggestions, so we're going to try that. But yeah, basically we are days away from race season. It's not too
Seven days.
Yeah, 7 days. So yeah, we're kind of in a time crunch, and even though we took the year off, it feels like we're rushing, and I don't like rushing because you start making mistakes, and I don't want to make mistakes. So yeah, without further ado, we will see you guys at the shop. So I thought this was kind of funny. We haven't set the ride height yet, and because we've got new springs, this thing looks like it's already set in the corner. So
You can see it really from up front.
yeah, it's we're gonna have to do something about that. So yeah. Okay guys, so we just finished getting the rear axle completely done. The brakes are back on it, the new shocks are on it, and the springs are on it. We got our ride height set, or just kind of a basic ride height. Just kind of, you know, get close to where we're going to be so we don't have to make a bunch of changes when we set it up. So yeah, we actually ended up getting the shocks fixed, and I don't know how well you can see them, but it's right, I don't even know if you can see my hand, but it's about right there. Those are the new shocks on there. We got the springs in the right places. Turns out our longer spring that we were using actually did not fit in the car, and that was causing all of the problems. Yeah, the 16 inches sitting over here. Yeah, it's pretty big, but that's what was causing our problem. But we got it fixed, and now we are pretty much good to go for the rear axle. So the next clips should be the front suspension and the steering, and I don't know if I'm going to time lapse it or just kind of show you guys after it's done. It's a little easier to do it that way. And this is the other side here. I know it's hard to see, but we did get our chain set for the rear axle, so that way it keeps the rear axle from tearing up the shocks if it ever does come up that high. So yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so we're down here at the shop. It's about 7-ish, actually about 8 o'clock. We are currently working on the front suspension of the car, trying to get that knocked out and done. We ran into a couple problems with the lower control arms. They were pretty much just messed up in summary. Dad over here is about about as happy as he could be. So anyways, we're currently working on them. Yeah, I kind of show you guys the progress so far. So as you guys can see, front suspension's out. We just dropped the steering kind of out of the way. We're going to get these control arms squared away first. But yeah, that's kind of our progress so far. No, don't do that. Oh. Dad abuses me. He beats me.
What are children for?
Okay, so it's almost 10 o'clock now. We've been working for a while. Stop laughing. I'm trying to do something serious. So we made some pretty good progress. We finally got the control arm sorted out. We got new springs and new shocks in it. Dad's actually setting up the idler arm, I believe. see if we can get it his way. Oh yeah, beautiful. So the hard stuff is pretty much done. Other than that, I think we only have a few tiny bit things here and there.
Spindle on that side.
Yeah, I mean we still have to get this side put together, but we're kind of rolling with it now. So yeah, awesome. All right, guys. So as you can see, we have the front suspension done. The new springs and the new shocks are on. We got a new control arm for this left side, and all of our steering stuff is done. So yeah, we got everything done what we wanted to get accomplished. So that is awesome. Okay, guys. It is about 11:30 at night. There's a clock somewhere behind me. Yeah, we got everything done. Yay. Everything done that we need to get done is finished. The front suspension is done. The steering is done. The only thing that's left, if you guys can see, we have to put the rotors back on and the brakes back on. But other than that, that's it. We are ready. Apart from getting the car set up, and we will be doing that Friday. So, yeah, once we get that done, guys, it's on. It's race season. I'm super excited. I'm nervous too, but you know, I'm excited at the same time to finally get to go drive this thing. So, yeah, I'm pretty tired. We've been down here for about 4.5 hours now, so I'm pretty exhausted, and I'm glad we got this done though. That's one less headache to deal with. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If you guys are not subscribed, consider subscribing to get all of the updates for the race team and, you know, what we do in our day, or not our daily vlogs, but our vlogs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.